Today I will show you how to make money with 3 easy steps. All you need to do is click, watch, and make money. By doing this, you can earn $3 over and over just through watching ads online. If you've stumbled across this video, this probably isn't the first video you're watching today, and it probably won't be your last either. Unfortunately, you're losing out on earning. If you turn on your phone or computer and go to the website that I'm going to talk about today, you can get paid to watch ads and earn $300 or more a day. This method is free, and you don't need to have any special skills or experience to do it. Plus, you can do it from anywhere in the world without any credit cards or investments. Today, I will share with you 3 different websites and apps so that you can have plenty of income streams all at once. Make sure you stay with me until the end to learn more. I will walk you through step by step so that you can learn how to make some extra money through these 3 sites. By earning more through these sites, you can change yours and your family's life. So keep listening.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
So this first website can help you earn money simply by watching advertisements. And it doesn't take long for you to earn some cash. Once again, you don't need any experience or skills to earn money this way. Just play and watch short videos so that you can earn some extra money. If you stay with me and watch until the end, I will show you 2 other ways to earn some cash. But before that, watch and follow my step-by-step guide on how to earn through AdWallet so that you can avoid mistakes when you sign up. If you look at the site, it tells you that you can earn real money from some of your favorite brands. As you can see, it's really easy. All you need to do is first watch a video. These videos are ads, and AdWallet actually tracks how long you spend watching these ads. The more watch time you have, the more money you can earn every single day. It's that simple. Now, here's how you can earn even more. All you need to do is take the surveys after each ad, and you can score some extra cash. I will walk you through step by step and show you how to take the survey so that you can earn 50 cents to $3 for watching each ad. Before I go on, here's a bonus tip. You can earn an extra $1 every time you refer a friend to AdWallet. That is one of the perks of this website. You can also download some offers from brands that you really like. So as you can see on the website, once you hit $10 of income, you can cash out your earnings. Once you cash out your earnings, you'll receive them in less than 1 day. If you scroll down, you'll also see that the website has paid out more than $1 million to its users, so you know that it's legit. Also, the site shows the different ways that you can get paid. Currently, there are 3 different ways that you can get paid. You can either choose to receive a MasterCard prepaid card, e-gift card, or you can use the money to go towards a donation. As you can see, AdWallet is a free app. You can download this app either from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You can download this app without spending a dime and start earning money in no time. You just need a phone and an email address to get started. Also, if you use the promo code FAQ, you can earn an extra $1 just for signing up. Right now, I'm going to take you over to the Google Play Store just to show you what the AdWallet logo looks like so that you can be sure to download the right app. Again, you can get this app for free anywhere in the world. So once you create an account and log in on your phone, you'll see your balance at the top of the screen. This is basically the amount that you've earned so far on the app. If you scroll down, it will show you how many videos you have waiting to watch so that you can earn more money. After viewing the ads and earning the money, you can cash out your earnings. Now let's move on to the next site. This one is similar to AdWallet because you can also earn money viewing ads. As it says on this site, you can earn more money in as little as 10 seconds. To do this, all you need to do is visit their advertisers' websites. Then you should be able to cash out your earnings within 24 hours. To be able to cash out your earnings, you only need to have earned at least $2. The perk is that $2 is a really low amount, and that's really easy to earn this amount in no time. As the site says, as a member, all you need to do is view ads to earn. Just like AdWallet, this is a really quick and easy way to earn extra income. As I mentioned, you only need $2 to receive a payout, and they offer support for different currencies. Along with being able to pay in different currencies, they can pay you through various methods like Payza, Adbcash, PayPal, Skrill, and even Bitcoin. There are so many different ways that you can get paid. Now I'm going to show you samples of some of the ads that you may encounter on this site. So basically, to earn money through this ad, I just need to click on it and stay on the page that it brings me to for at least 30 seconds. When you close the site after 30 seconds, you'll earn some money. Now all you need to do is keep repeating these steps. Click on another ad, stay on the page for 30 seconds, and get paid even more. In order for you to sign up for the site, all you need to do is click on the register button. You'll then be brought to fill out a sign-up sheet where you can choose the currency you want to get paid in and your payment method. Just fill out all of the information that the sheet needs, and then make sure to accept the terms of service. Once you've done everything, just hit the register button, and then you should be able to earn some money through this completely free account. Now let's move on to another website that you can earn from by once again watching ads. This website is called SuccessBucks. And as you can see, it says that you can earn by doing activities like watching advertisements to make money. Now I'm going to show you how to create an account if you're coming from outside the US. So keep watching. Before I do that though, here are all of the people making money from this site. As you can see, some people have made $1, some people have made $3. Users are cashing out earnings every day, and you can too. The first step is to register for an account, which is completely free. After doing that, you can start to watch ads and do surveys or tasks to start to earn money. Once you have earned as much money as you want, you can withdraw your earnings. On the site, it shows you what sort of tasks or things you can do to earn money, like watching ads, doing surveys, joining contests, referring people, etc. This site lists 7 ways to earn money with them. But in this video today, I'm putting a spotlight on viewing ads since it's simple and you don't need any experience or special skills to do it. Plus, it's completely free. You don't need any credit cards or investments. To get started on this website, just hit the sign up button. You will be brought to a page where you need to fill up some information to register. Once you're registered, you'll be able to open your account and see multiple ways to make money just by watching ads. By choosing ClicksWall or AdClickWall, you can make money just by clicking. Now I have a secret that can help you earn more. Focus on tasks under AdGateWall. They can help you earn more cash. You can also focus on ClicksWall because it pays higher as well. Here's just a quick example of what happens when you choose AdGateWall. Basically, when you click the button, it will bring you to a page. Once you get there, you don't need to do anything aside from view the ad for at least 30 seconds. You don't need to click anything or give out any information. Just stay for at least 30 seconds. After watching the ad, they will add money to your account. Now let me show you what happens when you press ClicksWall. When you choose this option, it will bring you to this page where we need to click on an ad to start making money. So after choosing which ad to view, a new browser will pop up showing you the ad. Once again, don't click anything on the page that it brings you to. Just keep the tab open for at least 30 seconds and you've just earned yourself even more cash. Another way to earn even more money on this site is to refer your friends. You can potentially earn 20%, 40%, or even 100% commission just through referring your friends to SuccessBucks. When they earn, you can earn money too, just by having referred them, which is another great way to have some extra passive income. So that's another little secret to help you earn even more money from SuccessBucks. Now before I go, I'm going to show you another way that you could potentially make $517 online in one day without using a computer at all. You only need a phone to be able to use this done-for-you, no-computer payday system. This site is called Pockets. You can go to the site by clicking the link I put in the description box so that you can access the site and start making at least $500 a day. As you can see, no list, no website, no paid traffic, and no computer is needed to earn more than $3,000 in just a week. There are also great reviews from users sharing how they made $1,000 a day just from using this website. Here are just a couple people that earned over $200 in just one day. There's an autopilot way to use this app, and you can earn money without having any experience or special skills. Again, you can start earning through this site when you click on the link that I've left in the description box below. You have the chance to earn $500 just by using Pockets.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.